Welcome to today's video where we'll be making a very viral pouch journal or journal pouch. What do you call it? These are the supplies needed. I'll also link them in the descriptions, the ones that I use specifically. So first I mark where I want my circles to go and I try to space them out evenly. Since this is the first time using an eyelet and an eyelet tool, I was just placing one of the parts of the eyelet onto the mark so that I can see what it looked like. I'm going to take the hole puncher and switching the current nib to the 4mm one. My hole puncher is like a screw type and it's very satisfying to use. You push down and you can feel it twisting to cut. Then I'm placing one part of the eyelet at the bottom, and then I decided that I actually wanted to make more holes because I have done something similar before and I learned that having more holes for the string to loop through provides some support and also means that I can add more string. I can have more books inside. So these are the instructions in the back for the eyelet setter, and it comes with 2 pieces as well. Here's my hammer from IKEA. You don't really have to hit it that hard. I hit it a couple times. It looks like something's happening, but it's closing around each other because the base has a little divot. And when you hammer it, it helps it curve around each other. Then I'm going to take the elastic string, and I really did not like any of the colors in my pack that I got from Amazon. I can't find a color that I like. Usually yellow is my default. So you're going to take your elastic string and to measure it around your closed pouch, leaving a little bit of wiggle room for when the pouch grows. I'm tying a knot here, and then I noticed an issue. Because the eyelet holes are so large, these initial knots didn't work and they kept slipping through. So then I had to go back and tie the knot like 5 times to make a big ball to ensure that it didn't slip through anymore. And I finally got it to work. Now I'm weaving the rest of the string through the holes. I start from the inside at the very bottom and then just work my way up. One thing I also noticed is that you'll want to make sure you leave your string more taut than I left it here. I did have to go back and make it a little bit more taut. If not, whatever you put inside your journal will just fall. But if your string's a little tighter, then your books and journals stay in place. So this book I found at a used bookstore, and I was kind of peer pressured into buying it, but after reading the book description, honestly, I'm kind of looking forward to it. It's giving The Corpse Bride. If you like to annotate or read a physical book, setting this up as an annotating book journal. So here I have some tabs and multiple colors, slipping them in the front, and they go in just perfectly. Okay, and then here I was gifted these and I love it because if you want to highlight or mark something in your book but you don't want to make it permanent, the sticky tabs work like a highlighter and they stick out and they're perfect and I love them. So put those in and now I get to decorate it how I want. I also got this loop brand new at a used store.